So I'm so sorry about my voice. I actually have a really bad cold, but I wanted to film this voiceover for you guys anyway. So the first thing I like to do when I'm treating myself is take a nice hot bath with some Lush bath bombs or a bubble bar.
Let me go, let me go, let me go far. Taste all your thoughts.
This bubble bar made some really lovely bubbles and such a beautiful colour, and it also smelt so good. So I definitely recommend using a bubble bar or a bath bomb.
Breathe you in, I'm getting high. Breathe you in, I am getting so high.
Another thing I love doing to kind of relax is light some candles, so that is just what I'm doing. And whilst I'm in the bath, I love chilling and watching some Netflix or some YouTube videos. Or if you don't want to watch anything, I just recommend putting on some calm music. And I love doing my skincare in the bath, so I'm starting off with this cleanser that I absolutely love. This cleanser is just so fresh and it makes my skin feel so lovely and cleansed and moisturized. And I love scrubbing my body just to get rid of any old fake tan or dead skin. When I'm pampering myself, I always obviously have to use a face mask. And this one is from Lush, I really like it. And then I obviously wash my body with my favourite shower gel. I'll also shave my legs just to feel like silky smooth. I'm an egg. What if my hair turns pink now, guys? I wouldn't mind. I like my hair pink. Now I'm just going to wash my hair, and I use this purple shampoo just to get rid of any yellow tones in my blonde hair. And I didn't show you this in the video, but I do let it sit for a few minutes. And then once I let that sit for a few minutes, I'll just rinse it all out and then put some conditioner in. Some days I use purple conditioner, but today I just used a normal conditioner just because purple shampoo can be quite drying for your hair. So now I'm done in the bath, I just head back to my room and put some body butter on my legs. And I also just finish off my skincare routine by moisturizing my face and my neck. Better do my neck, or you guys will kill me. And now let's move on to my lips. So I'm just going to scrub my lips to remove any dead skin, which sounds really gross, I'm sorry. And then I just apply a lip balm.
I don't want two angles. I don't want a dead no beat. I don't want to sort it out. I don't want to hear no.
And now I'm just using a hair oil. Now I don't use this every day, but when I like to pamper myself, I do like to use a hair oil. And then I just go ahead and paint my nails because I just feel so much more put together when I've painted my nails. And now it's time for fake tan, and I love fake tanning. I know it's a process, but I just feel so much nicer afterwards. And now I'm putting my dressing gown on, and I'm just gonna head downstairs and get some refreshing lemon water because after a bath I'm always kind of thirsty. So this is what I love doing. It really just detoxes and cleanses your body. You could also make a smoothie if you want, but I didn't really have any fruit at home. And now I just change into some comfy pajamas. I put some fairy lights on in my room and I just go chill on my phone whilst I'm drinking my water. And I just do some reading because I find it so relaxing. And once I'm done with reading, I'll just watch some YouTube or Netflix on my computer. And once it gets a bit later, I'll just brush my teeth and get ready for bed. And something that really winds me down before bed is reading a good book. I definitely recommend this to anyone who has a hard time falling asleep. And I also reapply my lip balm because my lips are chapped. And that is everything for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! Psych.
I don't wanna sort it out. What's so bad about trying to people down?
This specific bubble gum, oh my god, I can't freaking talk. This bubble gum, I love using a body scrub on PAMPER.